Ebusuafo memo bi bia kwaba de ba GCN page so medin e de adwoa search mesrel subscribe to my channel fa usami abel no so wo be notification ense me ekoso wa bia obenya bi etie anase obenya bi ahwe Joyce Mensah ni name so your former ambassador e wo Ghana hanom na Joyce e de ensem bi atodwa ni nsem a okay na ne se wiase wo ho wiase e wo no ye wo categories ye wo grade A, grade B, C, akopem F na de ade a. Na Joyce say nipa wa hwe ase no onsura hwe ase o. Na momu a ugina ho no we ye wo say ugina ho no hwe ye ne wan hwe ase. Na Joyce say ono no sisie no wa kan no wa kan krofo a bibia inform ho no. Wo kan asem a hemfa no because if you nipa o pretend o yes wo ye papa kra de nipa nim fa ho no mo nim fa ho. Nti Joyce say Ghana ha no me no. Categories no ye ka categories no ono efia shras nega akuapim polo na trace boache mo no omo ye category 1 wo mo no sisi omo aginsem he Ghana fo ye inform ho sisi ye inform nya de bia ye hyeda nka mo ho asem papa nti omo agi atum na nipa bi te say Nana Mark Brown Jackie Apia na de aboare omo de omo brand no ye solid a chese omo ye brand ambassador de ma companies akesi nti omo ye celebrities a Ghana ha ye bu omo papa na omo mbu omo de afia shras nega na Tracy Boachi na akuapim polo omo da fame da omo wo omo nan omo da techem omo mu nsu ahye ase enti no ukomo asema inform ho na Joyce asema okay ubetimi adofie ne mi say Joyce eyobia asem emfa no ho na de enti o ka say na ne say abra Joyce ebegitum so ye ace ambassador wo Ghana ha no me no eni obode ruche Ghana fo a etu yemfo efa ace ho e abra na ace ebuka fa yenso na echi Joyce ba out because onye ace ambassador oni ace be negative na ye mpanifu bi na omma ne sika say o megina nya sa advert no emfa e mo na echi no mpanifu ni na ndi ni ye nti ono wa ba bonta be ka na dwen a che mpanifu no na emu na Joyce di tu kwan ekọ UK no kọta onu obi ne kunhye akọwo be ma ofre no ho responsible man na wan ware wo yire e wo mba e fa ne rechi kon Joyce ko we na em se man ye se nka Joyce enka techi Joyce so de ono de obe abra omoto abofa ne dia papa number na no be ye secret ne bibie gu ho na say recently videos a Joyce de babonti no kun ne mi be da e kun beleke me na niam na manfo eche se Joyce oye oba time a wo mba ti dachi bi umbe ba be hu videos a wa ye gu internet ni so be ya wo de na Joyce eche se Ghana fo munja hypocrisy na mo acha ne hey one ka say me your bad time hu oba time bi o ye perfect na ne be ina say me ye perfect but remember no mo life on ba believe in munja me life for me na Ghana ha no me no ana say krom here ye wo no efia shras ne ga akuapim polo na Tracy Boachi munye nzi ye da techem a ye wo ye nan obi afa ye ho enti no say bi obi te say Jackie Apia Nana Mark Brown mo na Nadia mo na wo kom asem de be ka say ye mo ya na ye mo nzi ye da techem ye wo ye nan chocha de enti no he dem be ki bi afa ye ho na ye nti en sama Joyce e de etudwa
da from team Israel see dia si ojina obema on sanitu bema me da from say team me da from team just say I don't have brand ya ka so obi wo brand da Ghana obi omo brand no muye mienu pe Nana Mark Brown Jackie Apia Nadia Boare and who else yeah come on get a solid brand it's me from brand ambassador because they are well behaved or we almost say they are rascals. Me I'm in the category of Shasinega and the Akuapim Polo. I am in the category of Akuapim Polo, Efia Shasinega and the Tracy Boachis. You know, yeah, rough. You need brand beer. Because Ube fire mu beer, you be no mercy. In Tokaba, the secret in remember bunting. We don't have a brand, me need brand. Me nya musician na, even say me tunu mu kra na. Me nya musician na, me brand in here so big, I make say I'm protecting my brand. Number 2, me din no ukobo me din Joyce Mensah. E din no unya asempepe bi ankan. Ube hu HIV positive, ube hu HIV negative, ube hu fraudulent ambassador, ube hu a thief, ube hu a liar. Ube ebi wa beka say me ni mema 6 awu ma 6. O ube try ube ti say makoji obi kunu Hamburg. Che say e din no she ni hu I don't have anything to lose in this life. Me too, no. Just said, me need pressure behind that because my dear to me say, no matter how I try to be nice, no matter how I try to be nice, no matter how I try to be truthful, nipa bebre na hu say me nipa boni ni. Me ene me nyankopon kwa na enim nipa me ye. Enti no me nipa say no, me koye brand ambassador kra ma obi. Company bi ni abeka say Joyce koye program bi e o Facebook na wakwaka say man say so waka. Enti ni ye ambassador position dey finish same. Do you understand? I am not a brand ambassador to any company. I don't have any name to protect. Just say me brand in airport, and then I want to enjoy my life. Me too no. Me abrabo no mabadi aka na enjoyment nko. Nti ya be ma na hoye me fe hoye makono. Misimo hoye wakono. Na udi bom na me di bom. Na se bi edi ye ho saa obre ma bre. Ko baby na me call me baby. I know son, me are protected. I take good care of my health. I know what to do. I don't do multiple sex partners. Ma ko fire baby. Ye na gonorrhea, china syphilis. Obehena pimples aye meni na me ho ambassa. I take good care of myself. And I want to be beautiful. I want to enjoy music. I want to dance my puka. Just say I want to have fun. Inti nipa say no my plan my brabo no. Pressure be under me so. First thing na me tell you say oh, I am not a bad person, but people think I'm a bad person now. I care less. Do you understand? I care less. I don't have anything to protect. Me mano, mu hu nkrofo a mami a oye very disciplined and ambassador. Duncan Williams hu ni babe mano. Abrabo papa be na papa yambo. Ni life no oye very perfect in quote. Na so shani baboy no. Me mami a ife ni bitrisado on pekasa on pen ho asem. Nyama me any social media no crowd Facebook account. She didn't do any of the things I'm doing. But look at the kind of child she has produced. It's a bit me agbemu say me mbakra ma wo mukra. Omo fa me bibia, obia o character nyagopon de man so on fa brasa asiwesu. It's more than think about your child. Think about your child. My child has their own life to live. All I have to do is say my life shouldn't affect them negatively too much. It's my dear friends, brothers and sisters, I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to protect because my name has been dragged in the floor. My name has been dragged in the mud. Inti nipa say no nim beko a. Now what show me ye? If you come and fight with me, if you think that they want to destroy me, na una wo pass mama ho. Una wo say we are sorry penny. And I say you wa airline bi. Inti sisi ana person on me ko no, na ye no fi more. You have a name to protect o. Una we are sorry penny o. Una wo the organization no as a president o. And I want to na wejuma. Sweetheart. Yeah. Gigingi. Yeah. Sweet Bella. Yeah. Look at this. Let's look at this. Yeah. Let's put it here. And also come here. Come to mommy. And you know, I don't have anything to protect. It is only me back. Then you think about your life. All this while I was trying to protect this man, he didn't see it. And he wants to destroy me emotionally. He wants to crush me. You want to crush me. But you didn't know, say, once you are crushing me, you know, I will pull you down to my level. My level, no one. My level now, I don't have anything to lose, you know. I will pull you to my level. Because I want to try to protect you, to help you to maintain your standard in society. That's often say when you are then me dey me good side na ma osa na one penny no. Na me dey me bad side. This is me bad side na me yashemo no. Say dey me bad side no, you will love it. Sweetheart, aren't you enjoying my craziness? And I made me bad side na ma no accept it like that. If you had accepted, sorry, okay? If you had accepted my good side, trying to protect you, trying to I mean, I don't know what word to use for you. That's how often say bia me yakwasia. Obi a me ne obroni akasa say, yen keep akora na woni din mu. Na wetumi akwa kacha manfo say, me na mafo say enemy meda. Enu kwa na ade a ehye me. Ne nyina mu no anye my fancy wa. I decided to leave it. The fact to say wetumi abo aboso. I did letters torment me no, and no tell me be yes video cinema no because who torment me. But Ghana for some months unti ase akona kwashepo. Papa ne ha ma jo di letters ha ma jo onim se me ni bibia na Facebook amaka pa ne chewa wan pene. Ah kwa me yes me dey the first me dey the first no. Na se mo say mo nti asia and then mo nkɔ shipo. Go and hack the transformer. You want this? So mo nti asia kɔ shipo. I make messages kakra. Ivan said, what is that? What is that, madam? Joyce Mensa, I feel so horny. Hey, Harry Winky.